Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Citizen Quartz watch with the screw down pack. So we are going to need a watch wrench in order to unscrew the back and replace the watch battery. There are going to be other types of Citizen watches just like this one that have the snap off back, and where you are going to use a regular back case opener, so a watch knife, in order to pop out the back of the watch and replace the watch battery. I have a full tutorial about this watch as well in case you want to check it out, but in this case we are going to replace the watch battery on this exact model. So as you can see here on the table, I have a few basic watchmaker tools because you are going to need the new watch battery. In this case it is going to be the Renata 371 or the SR920 SW. So there are going to be different names for the exact type of battery. I'm going to also leave a link in the description below to all the tools and the watch battery that I have right here. I'm going to need a pair of tweezers in order to grab and maneuver the watch battery, and here as you can see I have a watch wrench. So this has these 3 points in order to be able to place them inside these holes and to rotate the watch case in a counterclockwise direction, so to the left, in order to unscrew it. Now in case of a snap off back, you are going to also need the watch press at the end in order to press down the back of the watch. So once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all the basic watchmaker tools in order for you to be able to operate your watches, to replace the watch batteries, and to let's say replace the bracelets and other stuff as well, which are very useful. In this case we have the watch wrench. As I mentioned, it has a wheel right here that gives you the possibility to approach these 2 pins or to take them further apart, and then you are going to also have this rotating handle in order to adjust this point right here. I have already placed them correctly, and what I want to do is to place these two on 2 of these openings right here, these grooves, these holes, just like that, and then I'm going to place the 3rd one. As you can see, everything is fixed right now, and I'm going to rotate to the left, so counterclockwise, in order to unscrew the back of the watch. After you have unscrewed the watch back a little, you are going to be able to unscrew the back of the watch using your fingers, so it is going to be quite easy. Then you are going to take the back of the watch off. We are going to place it right here, and now as you can see here we have the movement. Now as I mentioned, this watch operates with the 371 watch battery, but in case you know the exact watch battery, you can order that one, or in case you find the old watch battery within the watch, you will be able to read on the back of the battery the exact battery type. And now I'm going to place the new watch battery right here, as you can see, in this groove. And now as you can see, it doesn't fit because we have this small metallic part that needs to be moved in order for the watch battery to go inside. Now a very important thing when you operate on your watches with a pair of tweezers is not to touch this coil, because you are going to permanently damage your Quartz watch. So always operate only in this part where you have the watch battery. Now I'm going to grab this metallic part, take it a little bit on the right side, and then I'm going to push the battery inside. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So once again, make sure to take your time at this process because you can easily damage the movement. As you can see, the watch is ticking. Now in case you found the old watch battery and you have this exact movement type, we are going to use one tip of our tweezers just like this in order to grab this part, and the watch battery is going to pop out, and that is how you remove the old watch battery. Now I'm going to put the watch battery back inside, just like that. And now as you can see, let's check once again, the watch is ticking. And now what we need to do is to put the back of the watch back again. Now on a lot of cases, you are going to have this black gasket, so this rubber gasket right here. And you always need to put it back in and to make sure that you keep it, because this actually helps you seal the watch and to improve its water resistance. And now we are going to place it this way. We are going to move it a little, maybe even counterclockwise, to make sure that it is perfectly inside. And now I'm going to rotate a little bit to the right, so in a clockwise direction. And after I can no longer do that with my palm, with my fingers, I'm going to put the watch wrench and rotate the watch case to the right, so in a clockwise direction. Make sure not to make it too tight, because that can actually damage the gasket, so that rubber seal that helps you improve that water resistance. And as you can see, guys, now we have the watch ticking. I'm going to set the time and date, and after I have done that, everything is going to be perfect. I have replaced the watch battery, I have set the time and date, and I can now enjoy the watch for, let's say, 1, 2, 3 years more. So guys, that is how you replace the watch battery on your Citizen Quartz watch with the screw down back. This tutorial is going to apply to other watch brands out there that have the screw down back, so you can apply this exact same tutorial. Make sure to order the watch battery, so the exact and correct watch battery type. Also make sure to order the basic watchmaker toolkit, so that you have this watch wrench, the pair of tweezers, maybe even the back case opener, and the watch press. If you want to watch even more content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, especially if you found value. Let me know in the comments below what kind of watch you own, if you managed to use this tutorial, so to apply this tutorial to your watch and to successfully replace the watch battery. I would love to hear you guys out. Once again, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.